Hi there folks, and welcome to video number 108. This video is on turning ratios into fractions. Now the keywords I've got for you are ratio and fraction. A ratio is a way of splitting something up, and if you add those two parts of the ratio together, the left hand side and the right hand side, you will get the total number of parts. The fraction is a number out of the total, so something out of the total. Now, this is why we are able to convert ratios into fractions and vice versa, because if you add the ratio numbers up, left hand side and right hand side, you get the total parts, and on the bottom of the fraction, you've got the total parts. Okay, so to find the fraction from the given ratio, you must add the parts of the ratio together. This becomes the denominator of your fraction. Then you need to choose the number on the left hand side or the right hand side of the ratio to use as the numerator. The number you choose depends upon what the question is asking. Alright, so in number one, find a fraction that the left hand side of the ratio represents. So that would be the 3 out of the total. Alright, so add 3 and 7, 3 plus 7 equals 10. Alright, that's the denominator of our fraction, and then we'll put the 3 on the top. Alright, that's our numerator of our fraction. Adding the 11 and 9, 11 plus 9 gives us the denominator of our fraction, so that's 20. Alright, and then we need to put the 11 over the top. Okay, neither of these so far could be simplified. Let's have a look at the last one. So 14 plus 25, and we add that together, that's going to be 39. And if we have the left hand side on top, we've got 14 over 39. Again, something that can't be simplified. But if you can simplify it, obviously do. You've learned that previously. It's always good practice to simplify your answer if possible. Right, number 2, there are only 7 apples and 6 oranges in a bowl. Okay, find the fraction of the fruit in the bowl that are oranges. So it's a worded question, but it's not too complicated. We've got the ratio of apples to oranges, 8 to 0, 7 to 6. All right, so if we add 7 and 6 together, we can get 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. And that will become the denominator of our fraction. And then the oranges is the one we were interested in, so that's going to be 6 out of 13. Again, that one does not simplify. All right, let's have a look at number 3. So number 3 got more words. Pezza and Quizzo are window cleaners. Good old nicknames, Pezza and Quizzo. They share any tips in the ratio of the hours that they work. So Pezza works between 10 AM and 4 PM, whilst Quizzo works between 3 PM and 7 PM. What fraction of the tips does Pezza get? So again, it's one of the wordy ones. We need to pick out the key elements here, right? Pezza, first of all, we need to work out how long he works. So he works between 10 and 4. So I'm going to write down Pezza works, or Pez works for 6 hours. Okay, and then Quiz works for 3 till 7, so that's going to be 4 hours. So they're sharing their tips in the ratio of the hours that they work. So P to Q is going to be 6 to 4. There's our ratio written together. Now we can add that ratio together to get the denominator of our fraction. 6 plus 4 equals 10. That's the denominator of our fraction. And what fraction of the tips does Pezza get? Well, Pezza gets 6 out of the 10. So that's 6 out of 10, which we could write down and simplify to be 3/5. 3/5 of the total, because we could have simplified this ratio as well. Okay, which I did in the previous video. And that is how we could have got 3/5 straight away, because we could have got 3 and 2. 3 to 2, add 3 and 2 together, get 5. 3 parts out of the 5 parts. Okay, so that's how you turn ratios into fractions. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Nice quick video it was as well. Shouldn't find it too difficult moving forwards. Please click the link in the description, like, subscribe, share the channel, tell people about it, and yeah, just keep continuing to improve. Thanks so much. Bye bye.